Welcome to Dr. Balaga's God Knowledge Doc podcast, your quick dive into the latest medical breakthroughs to keep you ahead of the curve. Let's get started. Today is June 25th, 2025. This video is on a Nature Neuroscience article published recently online on 12 June 2025 titled Protective Exercise Responses in the Dentate Gyrus of Alzheimer's Disease Mouse Model Revealed with Single-Nucleus RNA Sequencing. Alzheimer's disease involves amyloid plaques, tau tangles, and neuroinflammation causing hippocampal dysfunction. Physical activity is linked with reduced Alzheimer's disease risk and improved cognition. This study used single-nucleus RNA-seq to explore how voluntary running alters the dentate gyrus in Alzheimer's disease mice. Male transgenic mice, Alzheimer's disease model, and wild-type mice aged 7 months, 5 in each group, underwent 60 days of freewheel running or remained sedentary. Behavioral tests, example Morris water maze, assessed cognitive flexibility. Single-nucleus RNA-seq on 113,625 nuclei identified transcriptional changes in 11 cell types from the hippocampal dentate gyrus, differential gene expression (DEG) and pathway analysis were performed. What did they find? Exercise reversed Alzheimer's disease-related gene dysregulation, especially in immature neurons and oligodendrocyte precursor cells (OPCs). 213 genes recovered in immature neurons. Key genes include ATP-PIF1 and ATP6VOC, validated functionally. Exercise enhanced neurogenesis, decreased microglia, and regulated disease-associated microglia, or DAM. Novel astrocyte subpopulation diminished in Alzheimer's disease but was induced with exercise. Limitations of the study: limited to male mice. Human generalizability and causality in vivo needs more study. Key takeaways: exercise reprogrammed cell type specific transcriptomes in Alzheimer's disease with greatest plasticity in neurogenic lineages. These findings highlight therapeutic potential of targeting neurogenic and glial cells in Alzheimer's disease. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with your colleagues. When we change how we see disease, we change how we shape lives. Until next time, stay curious, stay compassionate, and keep seeking wisdom. Podcast brought to you by Master MedFacts at mastermedfacts.com.